Best Drawing Tablets 2024. When choosing a drawing tablet, consider factors such as pressure sensitivity levels, resolution, report rate, and pen type. Most respectable tablets should have at least 2048 pressure sensitivity levels, while some of the best tablets offers the 8192 levels. The active area size, resolution, and report rate are also important factors to consider, as they can affect the drawing experience and quality of your artwork. Number 5. Wacom Intuos. This tablet is designed for artists and offers a range of features to enhance the drawing experience. It has a large display and a responsive pen, making it easy to create intricate and detailed artwork. The Wacom Intuos is a line of pen and touch tablets designed for artists and creators. There are 4 different versions of the Intuos tablet, catering to various needs and budgets. The Intuos Draw Creative Pen Tablet is the most basic version, suitable for beginners and comes with Art-Rate Light software for drawing, sketching, and painting. The tablet features a new Wacom Pro Pen 2, which is designed to be sensitive and responsive and is available in medium and large sizes. The Intuos S is an entry-level model that offers a good drawing experience, paper-like texture, 5 hotkeys, and wireless connectivity. It is the most no-frills Wacom tablet, with just 4 hotkeys, a stylus without an eraser, and no dedicated pen holder. The fabric loop at the top of the Intuos S is intended to fit the stylus, but it can be a bit tricky to fit. The tablet is solidly built and feels sturdy, making it a durable choice for artists. The Intuos Photo is a compact tablet with 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity and 4 express keys. It comes with Macphone Creative Kit and Corel Aftershot Pro software. The tablet is suitable for those who suffer from RSI issues, as holding a pen is more comfortable than gripping a mouse for extended periods. The Intuos Photo is a good upgrade option for those with older Wacom tablets. Overall, the Wacom Intuos line offers a range of tablets suitable for different users, from beginners to professionals. The tablets are known for their sensitivity, responsiveness, and durability, making them a popular choice among artists and creators. Number 4. XP Pen Deco. This drawing tablet is praised for its responsiveness and accuracy, making it a top choice for digital artists. It offers a wide range of features, including a built-in pen holder and a rubber eraser, making it a versatile option for various drawing styles. The XP Pen Deco series offers a range of drawing tablets suitable for different users, from beginners to professionals. The Deco 01 V2 is a mid-range drawing tablet that provides a great drawing experience at a relatively affordable price. It features a large drawing area, a comfortable stylus, and is suitable for various applications such as pencil sketching, graphic design, image manipulation, and note-taking. The Deco Pro is another model that is recommended for beginners or as a low-budget upgrade. It features an award-winning design, 8 shortcuts, and an innovative dial with a touchpad. However, some users have reported issues with the build quality and software, and the tablet may not be suitable for more professional artists. The Deco 02 is also a popular choice, offering a large drawing area and tilt recognition at a relatively low price compared to other brands. Overall, the XP Pen Deco series provides a range of options with good drawing experiences at various price points, making them suitable for different user needs. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This tablet offers a balance between performance and affordability, making it a great option for hobbyists and students. It has a sleek design and a high-quality display, making it easy to use for drawing and other creative tasks. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is an affordable and well-rounded Android tablet, suitable for creative and note-taking tasks. It comes with an S Pen stylus, making it a good choice for people doing note-taking or artwork on a budget. The tablet features a robust design, plentiful UI customization options, and a long battery life, making it suitable for occasional use and entertainment purposes. The Tab S6 Lite is available in 64GB and 128GB storage options, both of which have microSD card slots to expand storage up to 1TB, providing ample storage for various needs. The tablet's performance is generally satisfactory for mid-range use, and it is praised for its comfortable S Pen and good display quality. However, some users have reported minor issues such as light bleeding and slight performance lags. But overall, the Tab S6 Lite offers good value for its price point and is a solid option to those who prefer an Android-based tablet for their creative and entertainment needs. Number 2. Apple iPad Pro. Known for its portability and versatility, the iPad Pro is a popular choice for artists and designers. It offers a wide range of drawing tools and applications, making it suitable for various creative tasks. The Apple iPad Pro is a high-end tablet that is known for its powerful performance, advanced screen, and excellent accessories. The latest model, the iPad Pro 12.9 2022, is not a significant upgrade over the previous model, but it adds more power and hover detection for the Apple Pencil, which cements the iPad Pro as a drawing tablet of choice. The iPad Pro features a beautiful mini LED screen, a future-proof M2 chip, and the best range of tablet apps. The tablet is suitable for creatives who need the most advanced mobile audio, photo, and video editing tools available, as well as mobile professionals who need to work on the go. The iPad Pro is Apple's premier tablet, and it is the most powerful in the iPad lineup, making it the best iPad on the market today. The tablet is praised for its excellent hardware quality, display, power, connectivity options, and battery life. However, the iPad OS continues to hamstring the hardware. Despite the platform's expanded multitasking features, the iPad Pro is a fine choice for well-to-do creatives who need the most advanced mobile audio, photo, and video editing tools available, as well as mobile professionals who need to fire off emails and fix Excel files from afar. The iPad Pro is a phenomenal piece of hardware with blazing fast speeds, one of the finest tablet displays we've seen, and serious multimedia creation tools. Overall, the iPad Pro is a top-of-the-line tablet that is suitable for professionals and creatives who need the best performance and advanced features. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. This drawing tablet is highly rated and considered the best overall option. It offers a large, bold, and beautiful display, making it perfect for professional artists and designers. The Wacom Cintiq 2022 is a drawing tablet that offers a large-screen creative pen display at a relatively affordable price point. The tablet features a comfortable stylus with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a matte screen surface, and a large drawing area, making it suitable for art students and budding designers who want to draw on a screen with an included stylus. The Cintiq 22 has an interactive monitor that can be controlled by drawing on the display surface with the Wacom Pro Pen Tool stylus. The tablet lacks multi-touch capabilities, higher resolution and brightness, and a wider color gamut, which are available in Wacom Cintiq Pro lineup. However, the Cintiq 22 is a good choice for art students looking to try their hand at on-screen design and editing. The Cintiq 22 is praised for its great pen experience, textured screen, and large drawing area. However, some users have reported minor issues such as light bleeding and slight performance lags. The Cintiq 22 is a good entry-level option for those who want to edit with a stylus rather than a mouse. Overall, the Wacom Cintiq 22 is a solid drawing tablet that offers a good drawing experience at a relatively affordable price point. When choosing a drawing tablet, consider factors such as your budget, the type of work you plan to do, and your personal preferences. The best drawing tablet for you will depend on your specific needs and priorities. So take the time to research and compare different options before making a decision.